Good stand. You got the wrong foot down. Right foot go back. Good. Go. Get up on him, D2. Get up on him. Get up on him. All right. Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go, boys. Hey, y'all get ready. Let's go. Head out. Hey. Go. Let's go, Jordan. Fight him back. Let's go.
Sit on the chair.
Sit. Get that foot up on. Get that foot. Look at this. There you go. Now get low and push off and hit him down there. Don't stand up. Hit him down there while you down there. Stay down there. Get that foot down. Get ready to go. Put that hand out there, Jordan. Put that hand out there. Sit. Go. Push, Jordan. Push. Push. Fight him back.
Oh, good job.
Good stand. You got the wrong foot down. Right foot go back. Good. Go. Get up on him, D2. Get up on him. Get up on him. All right. Hey.
D2. D2. Coach, Rose want to go.
Come on, Rose. King, get over there. Come on. Hey, King, let's go. Rose, let's go.
Two strongest. Let's go.
All right. Hold on. Hold on.
Pull your pants up. He right-handed or left-handed? He's right-handed.
Oh, you talking about one of them? Let's go.
And Jose, we're not going like this. We're letting our weight go forward, so we're going to just take our hand up and drive forward. That's our first step.
Take all
forward
your
and
weight.
low.
Not even that far. 6 inches.
In front.
6 inches. Let's go. Come on, King. Hey, y'all back up.
Remember, squat. Squat.
Hey, King finna put you on your butt, boy.
Squat.
Oh, ain't play, King. Close that stand. Close that stand, King. Close that stand. King, close your legs a little bit. Now reach all the way out. Reach out. There you go.
Let's go.
Good. Go.
Good, Rose. Drive.
Run him out of there, King. Run him out of there. Run him out of there, King. Run him out of there. Run him out of there. All right.
Good job.
All right.
Good job. Good job, Rose.
Run it again.
Again, let's go. Good stance. Same technique, right? Get our feet right.
We're waiting on him, Jose.
Too wide. Get them close together. Get your legs
Close your legs a little bit.
There you go, right there. Perfect. Now sit down low. Sit on your butt.
Sit down.
Sit down low.
Butt down.
There it is. Come on.
Now put your hand out there some more, Rose. Put your hand out there some more.
There you go. Look at you. There you go. Come on.
Go. Stay down there.
Drive,
Stay
Rose.
down
Chop
there.
your
There you
feet.
go, Rose.
There you
Get
go,
him out of
chop,
there.
Rose. Get your arms on there.
God. Get low, Jordan. What down? There. Go. Get him out of there, Jordan. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. One more time. One more time. Hey. Get him out of there. Very good. Very good. Just go on and keep running him out of there. Hey. Go. Oh, you up under him now, Jordan. Run him out of there. Run him out of there. Run him, push. Jordan, push. 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 All right. Good job.
Good job.
Ooh. Damn. I could have called all y'all out.
All right,
The
Cam.
way you gonna get better to jump out here. Come up a little bit, Cam. Sit. Go. Stay up on. There you go. There you go, Taquil. There you go. Come on, Cam. You gotta push back. You gotta push back. Way to go. Way to go.
Good job.
Close the legs a little bit, Drew. Close the legs. There, go. Get up under. There you go. Where the 5? Where the 5? Push. 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 You let him get up under you, Drew. Good job. Good job. One more time. Can't let him get up under you. No. Hey, you got to come hard. Come. See how he fought it to you? You got to bring it to him. Quick. Let's go.
Put your mouthpiece in.
I know it's good, but just right now. Legs straight up. Like a spear, right? Everything moving this way. Straight forward, right? Here. Okay, stay low. Ready? Forward, right? Low. Let's go. Doing it again.
Close. Get back up.
Stop talking about your ass. Come on now.
Go. Stay up under.
Good.
Stay up under. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good luck.
Good job. Oh. Oh.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Pancake foot. Not all the way up your foot. All the way up. Just wait for the push off like you want to try. I just should have run. Straight forward.
To be honest,
Yeah.
he's better than me.
Go. Get him out of there, Taquil. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. You don't call my dog out. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Great thing. A little bit so you can have some power.
Rose.
Yeah.
Callan.
Go. Get up on him. Get up on him, Peewee. Let him get up on you, Taquil. You too high. Low as he is, he already short. You got to get down there where he at. Stand up. Stand up. Get like this. Just like that. Put your hand down. Now bend your knees. There you go. Now put your hand out there. Put your hand out there. There you go. Let's go. Now you low as he is. Sit. Go. There you go. Now you're up on him. Now drive. 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 Drive.
Ooh.
Good job.
That was good.
Let's go. Good stand. Work on your stand.
Let me see that stance
Back
again.
up. Jamil, you
There it
too
is.
close.
Feet even.
Sit.
There you go.
Look, you got the left foot back. You put your right foot back. Left hand or the right hand? You right handed? Well, put your right foot back. There you go.
There it is. Now drive. Stay low.
Go.
Low. Good.
Get up on him, D. Stay up.
Grab
Push.
D2.
Push. Push. Don't throw. Push.
Finish. Good job.
Good job. Good job. Look at your stand, Jordan. Come back up. Exactly what it looks like. Especially at running back.
Maybe not so wide.
Right now,
A little bit closer together. Right there. Just remember, you got to get to here first. It's super uncomfortable, but once you lean forward, it gets better. And then you're ready, man. This thing's ready to prime you. You're ready to go.
Push off out.
Take your hand off. on, stay
Go.
square.
There you
Push,
go,
good,
George.
man.
There
Come
you
on, push,
go.
good job.
Good
All right. Good job. Good job. Let's go, good job. That's how you get
Let's
it.
go. One more. George, that's it. Slide him. Don't let him come at you. Slide him. Let's go. You can go ahead and run it down. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, make it happen. Let's go.
Good. Hey, hands should be in the ground. In the ground.
Stay low, hands.
Good. Get ready, George. Get ready to push. Stay down there.
Stay low.
Go. There you go.
Push. Good.
There you go.
Come
There
on,
you
man,
go.
at least.
Keep those feet moving. Good.
Hey,
Great
hey,
back.
hey,
Hey, D2, let's go.
Come on. Straight at him.
Let's go. Hey,
Straight
what's up,
at him.
man? You run yet?
Yeah, he did 2 laps. Come on. Give me my 2 laps. Put your helmet on, my piece in. Give me my 2 laps.
Y'all going back and forth. Also, you turn. You can take the way up and turn it. If you turn this way, you won't take
Don't give me that look.
Bam. If you turn it right here, he just take you right over there. You got to go straight. Let's go. I know you're tired.
Come on, don't worry about it. You got a break in a minute. Drew, get right there. Come on, Cam. Come on. Get your butt in here.
Stick your finger when you let it die. You got to let that
Hit.
Everybody
Hit.
here one time.
Hit. Hit. Don't lease out. You should be in control of your body. Back up, Samir. You should be sitting on your ankle. Yeah, back up. Not back up. You should be sitting on your ankle. You shouldn't be your out like that. Now put your hands down. Just like that. Now just come out from there. Hit. Y'all a little too far away from each other. Come on, Samir. Come on, get out and get ready. Hit. Stay low on Taquil. Hit. Get low. You overextended, D2. Just stay up. Hit. Come back. Hit. Come back. Control your body. Hit. Coach, you got to extend out a little bit. Hit. 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 Good job. Left shoulder. Change to left shoulder. Left shoulder. Y'all too close. Y'all outside.
Sit like this. Even a little lower. Just come down. Now continue to reach out. Now come on. Let's go. There you go. And now use that weight.
You
See
gotta
how you're
remember
going
it's
to
a
feel
ball.
forward? You're going to fall
Can't feel
forward.
off the ball.
Lift your hand and fall forward. Drive your legs.
Sit. Go. Way to get up under, D2. Way to get up under.
Look at
Way to
that.
go. Way to go. Come on back.